On February 6th, the Carnival Magic cruise ship encountered high winds and waves as it entered the port of Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Due to the adverse weather conditions, a section of the pier collapsed under the pressure of the water. The resulting collision caused significant damage to both the berthing facilities and the ship's hull. The voyage, which began on February 4th, was a 6-day ship-rocked-themed cruise featuring rock musicians and entertainment for music fans. The ship arrived in port early because the captain changed the itinerary due to bad weather. Captain La Farina informed passengers of the situation. In his communication to the passengers, the captain explained the need to set sail for safety reasons following the incident. It was emphasized that the ship and the hotel services on board were still safe, but some services were temporarily suspended. The specific content of the message was, "The ship and hotel services are safe. However, we need the assistance of some of the crew as we follow standard procedures for similar situations. As a result, some services are temporarily unavailable. We are in contact with local partners and the control center to get passengers from shore back on board as soon as possible. We will keep you updated as new information becomes available. If you are in contact with passengers on shore, please ask them to check their email, the Shiprocked app, and the Shiprocked Facebook group for updates. We apologize for the unexpected changes and thank you for your patience and understanding." Following the incident, extensive efforts were made to coordinate with local authorities and corporate headquarters to get passengers from shore back on board as quickly as possible. Following the collision, Carnival Magic moved to safe waters to assess the damage and develop plans to return passengers. Passenger safety and comfort was a priority, and updates were provided as new information became available. Unfortunately, some passengers discovered that the ship had left port without them. Many took to social media to express their frustration at being stranded in rainy weather with no way to return to the ship. Eventually, the Carnival team was able to arrange for passengers to be moved to a new berth and had everyone back on board by the evening. Carnival Magic missed a stop in Grand Cayman due to the weather and departed Jamaica on February 7th, the day after the incident. The ship then headed to the Bahamas before returning to Florida. A full investigation of the collision has been initiated. The ship and pier were thoroughly inspected for damage and serviceability. It is likely that part of the pier will have to be closed while repairs are made, although it is not clear whether this will affect the schedule of other vessels. Carnival Magic was laid down in 2008, launched 2 years later and entered service in April 2011. She is a 13,000-ton Dream-class ship. Currently based in Miami, she offers 6 to 8-day cruises in the Caribbean, accommodating 3,600 passengers in double cabins or nearly 5,000 at full capacity. More than 1,300 international crew members work on board.